안녕하세요. Good morning, everyone. My name is Steve Zhang. If you attend the ADF for a long time, probably you know me well. Anyway, welcome everyone. So this is the fifth times we hold ADF in this building, Air Tower. So very exciting to be here today. I'm going to present the topic is everything come back to edge, of course. Edge AI, edge computing, edge server. That's the most hottest topic. So let's look back what happened in the past 15 years. 2010 is the first year we hold the ADF. If you join this industry, you already become very senior member. If you have children attend the elementary school, he already or she already graduated from university. So in the past 15 years, all the embedded business changed a lot. I can divide it into 3 stages. The first stage I call is Edge 1.0, which means the equipment is just equipment. Very simple function. For example, ultrasound equipment, POS machine, ATM machine, it's very simple and straightforward. It just provides one function. And move to next stage, we call Edge 2.0. Actually, that's computing, cloud computing. We are moving to, starting from probably 2015. So all the devices have connect to the cloud and provide a service. So that's totally changed the industry. But nowadays, we are moving to Edge 3.0, which means device must become intelligent, can do a real-time decision, can do the, for example, in the logistics, can do the reasoning and path finding for autonomous system or drone, like this. For example, a smart place like this meeting room. There's a camera out there. He can count how many people in this room immediately and categorize female and male, what's your age? And he can make it, if your water is already drinking up, then people will come to serve you another bottle of water. Very simple application. So we call that the smart space. So all these kind of AI applications are into our life gradually. What's Advantech value? Actually, we are bridging the customer demand, sector demand, with our supplier, our supply chain, our partner, including the silicon partner, the software partner, independent software vendor, system integrators. That's our value. So we are like a platform. We provide the hardware and some SDK, API, and provide the service, design service to our customer, and resolve the pain point of the business, of the industry, and the end customer. So back to the most important topic today, the Edge AI market. According to Gartner report, the market will reach to $500 billion in coming 10 years. Compound growth rate, 24% per year. This is a huge market. In the past 3 years, all the CSP, cloud company, they are investing $100 billion in the infra, AI infra, cloud computing, cloud AI data center. So I think the coming 2 years, this kind of infra building will reach to the end, not the end, in the well-built status. And now is the beginning of the edge device, edge AI and edge computing. And that's more connect to our business. I think most of you are in the edge business, not in the cloud. Cloud only belong to top DMS, EMS manufacturer and NVIDIA and CSP. That's their business. Too far away from us. Of course, application is connect to us. We are using mobile phone, tablet every day, connect with our personal life. But in real business, edge AI is our business and your business as well. So today, I want to focus on edge AI. So here are the applications. Actually, we already dealing and finish the project all over the world. No matter in manufacturing, in hospital, medical, logistic, public infra. For example, in factory, the worker space safety, worker safety, that's a very serious topic. How to prevent your labor, prevent from risk. AI can do that. How about the medical diagnostic, ultrasound image, MRI image, X-ray? Actually, the AI can do better job than the senior doctor already, more precisely and no mistake. For example, driver behavior monitor for bus driver. Is he using the mobile phone during the drive? Actually, nobody know before, but through the AI in-vehicle monitor, we can see immediately if there is a misbehavior of the driver for the safety. So all this kind of application already happened. And this count on the edge device, edge AI computing, not cloud, too late. Had to real decision immediately. So that's what we call edge AI, edge computing. And according to CEO of NVIDIA, Jason Huang, he defined there are 4 types of AI. Perception AI, which means recognition. For example, object recognition, facial recognition. That's we call perception AI. But actually, perception AI can deal with maybe 70% of our industrial application already. And then generative AI, I think everybody knows that, can be a very good designer or programmer, right? Or a good, he can help on your email, right? Very good email. Search engine, for example, ChatGPT gradually will replace search engine in the end. Agentic AI, it's very important in the industry. It will become like an app in your mobile phone. But in the enterprise, industrial operation, we call it agentic AI, AI agent. So together with perception AI, agentic AI and perception AI can deal maybe 90%, 95% of the industrial application already nowadays. And the last one is we call physical AI. So autonomous system and robotic, that belong to physical AI, like a service robot in a restaurant. But in the future, can you imagine there will be a football team, 11 players can play better than human football. Maybe drive a F1 better than the race driver nowadays. And someday will happen. Maybe they are acting awkward, not so, smart, clumsy. But in the coming 10 years, I believe, there will be more professional player than human being. So that's a progress of physical AI in the future. Can take care many of dangerous job, risky job of labor nowadays. Shortage of labor, of course, become a more serious problem nowadays. So I want to talk about Advantech blueprint of AIoT application. We can divide it into 2 parts. The left-hand side, we call the hardware. Right-hand side, we call software, orchestration platform. Okay. So left-hand side is very easy to understand. They are sensing area, they are communication, connecting area, and then computing area. So it's very simple. So we can collect data, build up the model. We build up a platform we call WISE Edge. So this is a software-defined orchestration platform which can connect the hardware with the, we call Advantech AI software seamlessly. So which can deploy your AI model in the edge devices very easily. Okay. Of course, there is a core we call Edge Sync, how to help our customer, a developer, software developer, to develop the Advantech AI by themselves. Okay, so this is the architecture. So before IoT concept is build up the dashboard only. We collect data, we build up the dashboard. But human beings still have to judge by human. But nowadays, AI can take over human job. We call Advantech AI replace human being to make a decision and give you the strategic judgment. For example, in the factory, there's the energy management. So the AI, Advantech AI, can give you the strategic way how to manage your energy in the factory or equipment operation. So the Advantech AI will, replace the labor. We call digital twins. So that's the trend of the industry. Okay? No matter in the manufacture or energy business, hospital, or public infra, this will become reality. And this page shows the private company, enterprises, how they train their own model by themselves. So we know OpenAI, ChatGPT, that belongs to the left-hand side. We call cloud AI. It's open, public area. But when we talk about industry, it's very unique, especially for private enterprises. We never release our own data to public. So we have to train our own data by ourselves, become our own model and develop the AI, Advantech AI by ourselves. So this is kind of a logical way to explain. So on the right-hand side, which means the individual private company have to train your own AI through your own data and develop the Advantech AI only in your office, in your company. But in the industry, by different vertical, for example, energy, factory, robot, or retail, supply chain, healthcare, in the future, gradually, there will be vertical AI agent as well. So you can connect, maybe through NCP, there's a new protocol we call module context protocol. The model in between can communicate, so can be connect. So you can borrow something from the outside into your enterprises. And those vertical agents can also connect with cloud AI, use the NCP protocol. So this is the future concept. So different AI model can also be connected. So each company can develop their own AI and vertical AI industrial, and also with the public AI model. So that's a future trend. Each model can be connected. Okay, back to our core business. We call design business. We are working on this business for over 20, 30 years. So this is our core. But once AI added, so we have to add the AI into the design of service, including AI escalation module, graphic card integration, etc. So also including the software. So this is very complicated. So I cannot go to detail, okay? But however, we have a demonstration. So this is the software service we can provide to our customer when they develop their AI model from the AI computing power benchmark and evaluation. How many tops you need? 100, 200 tops, or 300 tops, or 500 tops? We have a tool to benchmark. And then the environment, AI development environment, we can provide different language. Also the deployment, device monitor, software upgrade, OTH, those kind of software facility we can provide to help our customer develop their AI model and deployment. So this is my last page. We cannot make it by ourselves. Advantech is a platform company, so our function is to work with our partner, no matter silicon partner, AI company, AI module, IC company, all together. So today we invite some famous company, I think in this market, join together. They will also be on stage later, so we can gain a lot. We can have a lot of inspiration and input today. So thank you for your listening, and thank you. Thank you.